hotel sits right inside Cartagena's walled city in Colombia, which means everything is basically walkable: cafes, rooftops, restaurants, shopping, and it's all just outside these walls. This is a 400-year-old convent in Cartagena, and today it is one of the most luxurious resorts in Colombia. Inside these walls, there are hidden crypts, old confessionals, candlelit corners, and a massive pool where nuns used to grow their own food centuries ago. You go from loud, busy streets to walking through these massive wooden doors, and everything just changes instantly. It gets quiet. You're suddenly inside this calm courtyard that feels completely disconnected from the city outside. As you walk around, you can see stone archways, long corridors, and parts of the old church are actually still inside the property. There are even wooden confessionals sitting inside the chapel area, which is one of those details that hits you and you realize you're inside a luxury hotel, but also a convent. So another unexpected part is inside the bar. It's called the Coro bar. There's actually a crypt underneath it. This place dates back to 1621. And knowing this used to be a convent makes perfect sense. It literally was designed to separate this inside from everything happening outside these hotel walls. So the pool and courtyard are probably one of the most memorable parts of this hotel. So back when it was a convent, this space was actually used for the nuns to grow herbs and plants, and now it's been transformed into a massive pool surrounded by palm trees and stone architecture. And this is going to be one of the biggest pools if you're staying in the walled city. A lot of places have little plunge pools, but this is like a legit big pool. During the day, it's like a hidden tropical resort inside the city, and it's so great because it does get hot. So we loved coming back to the pool and just relaxing, taking a dip before we went out for the night. So the rooms here are really interesting because no two rooms are exactly the same. Since it used to be a convent, the layout was never designed to be a modern hotel. Some rooms can feel more historic and traditional, and others feel a little more modern and updated, depending on where you are in the building. These beds are extremely comfortable, and there's even a pillow menu, which is a small detail, but it can make your stay a whole lot better if you're really particular about pillows. They had like feather ones or like synthetic ones, and they would get delivered to your room. So we actually stayed in the main courtyard, which I loved because when you walked outside, you just saw all the trees, and always the sun was hitting different parts, had some really cool old things, just like different like artwork and stuff like that, which was really neat. And I liked it, and we actually got a room that was facing the pool too, so you got the best of both worlds. Breakfast here was one of my favorite things because you get to choose where you want. We ate in the courtyard most times because it was just so beautiful. So they had fresh fruit, these custom beautiful pastries, Colombian dishes, eggs that were made to order, and fantastic coffee. So before you book, you can check to see if you have breakfast included. We had it included, so it was just a fantastic way. We tried to get up early too, so we got there right when it opened. So then you have your choice of where you can sit. So they also have a restaurant 1621, which is a little bit fancier, and it used to be part of the original convent dining space. It also opens a little bit later, and I believe it's closed on Monday, so you just want to check before you go and make a reservation. So final thoughts. This is a fantastic hotel. It doesn't feel like a normal luxury hotel. It feels like you're staying inside a real piece of Cartagena's history with modern comforts layered on top. So you've got courtyards, old chapels, hidden crypts, a massive pool, and one of the best locations in the city. So it does attract some high-end travelers as well. I believe Mick Jagger stayed here and some of the royal family. So it's definitely a great place if you're coming for a honeymoon, an anniversary, or you just want to treat yourself for a night. We like to do that. We actually were able to use our credit card to get half off this hotel. So we wanted to treat ourselves for something really unique and really special. We did stay in other locations throughout this trip, so we did just do 2 nights here. And to save a little bit of money, we booked, I think, a Sunday and a Monday because those were actually the cheaper days. So I think it's worth it if you can, if you have a special occasion, you want to treat yourself. It is the perfect mix of being in a super exciting city, but then having that quiet moment of peace and relaxation in this hotel. If you want more hotel reviews, travel breakdowns, things like this, make sure to subscribe. We'll be posting a new video every week.